Sorry, I think we have to do that again. I was looking down by mistake.
Okay, no problem.
And then I was like, oh shoot, we're rolling. Okay. Hello, my name is Chantelle Irish, and I will be presenting with my colleague Chris Chinyati the 10-point plan of Build Zimbabwe Alliance, which is contained in our party's manifesto.
Fulfilling the purpose of government does not require huge executive and legislative branches supported by a bloated bureaucracy. We commit, therefore, in point number 1 of our 10-point plan, to cut the number of government ministries down to 15, eliminate all deputy minister positions and the office of the second vice president, and to restore the size of the legislature to pre-2013 levels.
We will do so not primarily to satisfy the demand for austerity by the financial institutions, but as a part of a common sense plan to ensure that we can fulfill our obligations, first to the people of Zimbabwe, and secondly to those whose goodwill and partnerships we need to build a great nation.
To unleash the incredible potential and promise of the Zimbabwean people, we must send a clear message that the full participation of every citizen in deciding the future of our country and rebuilding it is urgently needed.
We therefore commit, in point 2 of our 10-point plan, to aggressively promote and defend the constitutional rights and liberties of every Zimbabwean without fear and without favour, in addition to immediately repealing the Public Orders and Securities Act and revoking the Broadcasting Services Act. The Build Zimbabwe Alliance will create a civil rights division within the Attorney General's office to uphold the constitutional rights of every Zimbabwean.
Chantelle and I will be discussing points 3 and 4 of our 10-point plan in the next video. We believe that coming together is the starting point for building a great nation, and that nothing can stop a people united in a great cause. Zimbabwe, ilizwe letu, ilifa letu. Zimbabwe, nyika yetu, naka yetu. Zimbabwe, our country, our heritage.